again. Can't stay in this dead end relation, 'cause it's fading to gray. Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey, ONESMARTFROs, it's me, Gina Marie, and in this video, I'm here with another wash and go. It is finally starting to be all nice outside, and like I told you guys, I'm definitely going to be upping my wash and go this summer. I feel like I've got my techniques and routines down when it comes to my hair, that now I can probably start doing wash and goes without wash and goes being terrible. And I do plan on doing a video discussing why I just didn't care for wash and goes, and then especially before I really start hitting into wash and goes and things like that. But yeah, so this is what this video is about. So for this wash and go, I've already applied the Miche leave-in. I applied that in the shower just because it just works better that way. A tip from Kimberly Sherrill. And then what I'm going to be using is the Crowns and Couture Caribbean coils, as well as their Seal and Twist and Soufflé to kind of seal in that moisture. And then I'm just going to use the Wet Lime Extreme Gel to actually define my curls and things like that. So that's what I'm going to be using. I will have all them linked down below. Actually, I think I'm going to apply this moisture cream. Should I do a big section? You know what? I'll do it in half. Don't want to do it too big. And then I will break down. Now, I got this idea from you guys. I asked in the community section, what is your guys' favorite wash and go combination? And a lot of you guys said the Camille Rose Moisture Milk, which I absolutely love, but I am completely out of. So this was the next moisture milk that I had. So I wanted to try it out to see if it gives me some good moisture, because I do like this product. I did a Instagram sponsorship using this line, and I actually really enjoyed it. And I've been meaning to do a braid out or twist out for you guys using these products. So I guess depending on how well this video does, I will do that for you guys. Even though I probably would do that for you guys either way. So I'm going to work this product in. Then I'm going to take this Seal and Twist Soufflé, and I'm just going to use this as a sealant. It is basically like an oil. Once you rub it in your hands, it kind of melts down as an oil. And it's really nice. And I remember when I used this, I used it during the summer, and it was really heavy. So not heavy in a bad way, heavy in a good way. My hair felt super moisturized, and I got really good definition that I knew I wanted to try it with a wash and go. So here we are. So I'm already getting some curl definition. And I might even try to shingle this. Yeah, I got a new dimming brush from Sally's. They had sent me a PR package. And oh my God, I had wore out my other dimming brush so bad. I had one real dimming brush, and then I had a dimming brush, a fake dimming brush. And I had wore out that real dimming brush so bad, I didn't even realize how much until I started using the new one. I still wouldn't use it to detangle, but when it comes to defining my curls after my hair is already detangled, this new dimming brush, absolutely amazing. I think I'm going to shingle. I want to try shingling. I've been watching some of Hazel Goddess's videos, and she's been really liking shingling, so I want to try that. I know it's going to take a lot longer. I got a little bit more kinks than she does. And I'm just going to speed this up, play some music while I finish the rest of my head.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you watch all night, 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 watch all night. Tell me.
Okay, so this is my hair completely dried, and my worry about it drying and flaking is definitely not there. My hair is not flaking whatsoever. This is honestly the best wash and go I've had in a really, really long time, because not only do I have super good definition, my hair feels moisturized. Like I could feel the moisture over the hard crunch. Now it does have a little crunch, but nothing too bad. I can definitely go in with some oil to kind of break it, but I do like the crunch. I like the crunch just so I can like last longer, so I'm not going to break that cast just yet. But the cast is not, it's not bad. Like it's not bad at all. It's still very soft to the touch. You still get that shine from that souffle, and I am not mad whatsoever. Like I absolutely love this wash and go that I think hair milks are the answer to my wash and go prayers. Like I think for me to get a really good wash and go, I need to try hair milks, because I feel like hair milks are not too heavy where I have to worry about flaking, but still moisturizing enough that I can get that moisture that I want. Because that's one of my biggest fears when it comes to wash and goes, that my hair is not as moisturized as I would like it to be. And yeah, so that's kind of why I stray away, but I'm loving it. I'm so happy with these results. I'm definitely going to be doing this wash and go again, because this has sparked some type of love for wash and go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to thumbs it up. Check out my playlist of all my other wash and goes that I've been doing. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. So you really made it to the end of the video. You the real MVP. But because you made it to the end of the video, I know you like my content. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my other uploads. Also, make sure you check out these other 2 videos that I posted on my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching.